Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to crop in Pixlr. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Pixlr website right here, pixlr.com if you haven't already, and after opening up you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where we can get started with logging into our account. So here in the upper right corner is going to be the login button that you can use for logging into your account. If you do not already have one, just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in you'll be greeted by this home page right here where we can get started with opening up the photo editor. So guys, go ahead and click the AI photo editor right here. That's going to enable us to go ahead and open up this new menu where we can get started with opening up the image that we want to use for editing. So let's go ahead and click the open image option. That's going to enable us to go ahead and select the image that we want to use. So I'm going to select this image right here from my PC, and after that we can now go ahead and open it up in this new edit menu where you can see the left side of the screen, the toolbar with all the options that we can use for editing, like arranging, cropping, cutting out, and so on. So basically guys, if you want to crop your image to any size, we are going to be using the crop option right here. So the left side of the screen, click on crop, and after selecting crop, now we have a couple of options. We have the option to either select the width and height by entering it right here, or we can just go ahead and resize it. We also have the rotate options right here, and to flip it horizontally and vertically, so you can go ahead and see how big you want to crop it. If you want to go and select it manually with your hand, you want to go and select this option that says select aspect, and now we can go and select how big we want to crop it. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.